Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error in React.js. I will read the error message for you. Invariant violation, register component, target container is not a DOM element. First, I will tell the reason for this error. When you are trying to render a React component into a target container, that does not exist or has not been properly initialized in the DOM. So I will explain it with an error. It with an example code. Sorry. Here my HTML file. If you check clearly, inside this body tag, I have a div tag with ID root. I have a comment here. This is the target container. So we are going to render our React component into this target container. This is our target container. We are going to render our React component into this div tag, inside this div tag. So it is identified by this ID root. Okay. So this error happens if that does not exist. If this target container does not exist and has not been properly initialized. Not initialized properly. Because of these two reasons, you will get this error. If there is no this target container with the ID root. If you check your React code, here in your app.js file, ensure you are referencing the correct target element. Check here, const root element is equal to document.get element by ID. You are accessing that target container by its ID. Our ID here is root. So document.get element by ID. Then we will get the root element reference here. Check if the element exists before rendering. So by checking this if root element, we can avoid this error. Because we will render our app, entire app into this target container only this root element exists. So we can avoid the error. This is the case still React version 17. From 18 plus onwards, everything is same, but inside this if root element code, we will use create root of root element and root dot render our app. I have commented here React 8 way of rendering, but still React 17 version we will use React DOM render. Okay, but from 18 onwards we will use create a root of React element, then root dot render app. So by checking this logical checking of the target container, you can avoid this error.